If you have been looking for a way to change your YouTube channel country, this video is for you because here today I will be teaching you how you can change your YouTube channel country. Okay, so the first thing you do is you head straight to studio.youtube.com. You go to your YouTube channel, you go to your studios, Creator Studios, and so once you get there, all what you do is you head straight to settings. You click settings, you click settings. So once you click settings, it brings you here. So all what you do is you go to channel on the left side of your screen, which is the second button. You click it. So once you click it, you will see country of residence. You select your country of residence. As for me, I'm going to choose United States. I'm going to choose United. Sorry, I'm going to choose United Kingdom. Okay. So you click save, and boom, it's all done. If you find this video very helpful, endeavor to click on the subscribe button below this video. And once you're done with that, endeavor to click on the bell icon beside the subscribe button to get notified when next we drop videos like this. Because here on this YouTube channel, we drop valuable content that could be helpful to you. Videos like this and ways to go about solving our day to day problems. Thank you for your time and bye bye.